Hello guys, welcome to IWM Buzz. Big congratulations for your new movie. How much excitement is there? No back-to-back promotion is going on. तो कितना excitement और
Recording in progress.
I think we're both very, very excited. I think the nervousness will probably kick in closer to the release date. I'm sure, especially for Ahan, since it's his first film. We're very excited. We've put in a lot of love into this film over the last 2 years, so we can't wait to have people come and watch it.
Ahan, anything you want to add on?
Yeah, like Tara said, I'm very, very excited. Both of us are very excited, and those nerves will kick in, a day or two prior to release.
Okay. So, Ahan, जब आपको ये offer हुआ movie, so what was that one thing you love about the storyline, and what is that one thing wanted to do for this movie?
One thing, so when I got offered this film, is one thing that I really liked was, it's a very different type of love story. I don't want to give too much away, but it's very intense, as everyone likes to say. And one thing that I really was excited about was, to be able to portray Ishana in two completely different ways. One Ishana is like a chocolatey lover boy, and the other Ishana is this very aggressive, passionate, loyal lover, you could say. So that's why I fell in love with the character, and also the action. The action is very raw. It's very different from what a debutante would normally do.
Yeah.
I wanted to challenge myself in that way, just try to do something.
So, Tara, as we know, you have done so many shows and the movies also. So, we can say you have the one idea how to select a script for a movie, so you can get an experiment to your character also. So, how much you get the experience doing related to the selection of the movies or the web shows?
I don't know. I go about choosing things only based on the story. It doesn't really matter if it's on an OTT platform or if it's a theatrical release. Of course, we all love watching movies in the cinema. That's the OG thing, and that means a lot to all of us. I think it means a lot to all of us Indians. The movies in general, our music means so much to us. It's such an important part of our lives. And we've been going to the movies. It's just an experience unlike any other. So it, of course, does hold a very special place in my heart. But I think what the OTT platforms have done for actors and writers and directors and technicians world over, it's sort of changed the game. And it is the present. It most definitely is the future. And I think if the content, which they say is king, which it most definitely is good, then it doesn't really matter where your content comes out.
जब भी एक रोमांटिक बेस्ड स्टोरी आता है तो ऑडियंस काफी ही बेसब्री से इंतजार करती है. तो हमने जैसे कि ट्रेलर में देखा है कि आहान एक आशिक एक दीवाने आशिक का किरदार निभा रहे हैं. सो हमने कई सारे बॉलीवुड्स में दीवाने आशिक के किरदार देखे. तो आहान, हु इज योर वन फेवरेट आशिक दीवाना ऑफ द बॉलीवुड इंडस्ट्री? And you have followed that actor.
Yeah, there are so many. I feel like all of them have some sort of look up to, whether it be Shah Rukh sir, his voice, Salman sir, his style, Ranveer Singh's energy, Ranbir Kapoor's intensity.
Okay.
So, I try to pick up on a little from everyone. I wouldn't say I have one particular favorite. But yeah, everyone, Tiger's action, Hrithik sir's dance, Amir sir's perfection, you'd say. So I think it's a mixture of, everyone.
So Tara, who is your favorite Ashik Diwan from the Bollywood industry, and you love to see that particular actor in that role?
Honestly, I can't choose one, to be honest with you. I love stories and I connect with them very, very deeply. But I don't think I can choose one. Growing up, I didn't watch a lot of movies, to be very honest with you. And over the last, I would say, 6 or 7 years, I have started watching pretty much any movie that comes out that really interests me. And I feel like the love story genre, the romantic genre is something that really has attracted me always. But when it comes to just that one actor, I can't choose because there are so many that, like Ahan very rightly pointed out, have so many different qualities to them. Like no one is like the other. So it totally depends on the film, and there are so many that I love.
So as we see in our trailer, there is a lot of intense chemistry between you guys. So have you guys have done a practice, or you have just gone through the shot and it's come very well? How's your bond off screen, if we can say that?
I think both of us were very comfortable with each other. And the way Milan sir likes to work is he never used to like practicing the scene before we
Yeah.
perform the scene.
Which was really helpful for us, actually.
Yeah, I feel like I mean, actually, Milan sir felt that if we did do that, then
Yeah.
the scene would kind of become stale,
Yeah.
So for us, it was quite, whatever we did was quite spontaneous, on the spot, and yeah, just us being comfortable with one another really helped.
Tara, anything you want to add on?
Yeah. We did a couple of workshops for a few months before we shot the film, but that was not based on the script or anything. They were just general workshops to get us to know one another and feel a sort of comfort, which really, really worked for us, I think, as well. But even the first time I met Ahan, we had to perform a scene from The Dirty Picture, which is a film that has a lot of that sort of energy. It requires a lot of chemistry and a lot of understanding between the actors, I think. And despite not knowing each other, I believe Sajid sir saw that, and Milan sir was actually shooting it for us. They really loved that, and they really bought into how we were connecting with one another.
Yes.
So I think that sort of just spoke on its own, and I'm really grateful that worked out, because then we got to do that together.
So Ahan, I want to know, when it was you got a good fan base also from the starting. So how it will be helping you for your debut movie?
I don't think I have a fan base.
You
on
have.
myself.
I have saw many creative on the on social media everywhere. Yeah.
I don't know. I definitely feel like a lot has to do with the love and respect my father's earned in the industry.
Yeah.
I feel like once the film comes out, and if people do appreciate me, then I might start to, gain a little fan following. But right now, I just consider myself very lucky to be a part of the industry, and I'm very proud to carry my father's legacy.
Any two thing you have learned from your father and you want to carry on further on?
Just the way
Any two thing you have?
just the way he
Yeah,
lives
you
his
can.
life. He told me once, when I realized I wanted to be an actor, he told me, if you're not known as a good actor, just be known as a good human being.
Yes.
That really stuck with me. And another thing is, he told me, never fear that Friday when your film comes out. There are going to be a lot of ups and downs in life. There's certain points in time where you are going to fail, but don't be afraid of them. Learn from the mistakes you make, and keep moving forward.
So Tara, I want to know from your side, what genre you want to do more and you want to explore more?
I'm really lucky that I've gotten to explore a couple of different genres with the films that I'm
Yeah.
doing, even with Ek Villain Returns and Hero Panti 2 coming out after Tarak.
Yeah.
They're very different worlds of cinema, very different worlds of stories, and my roles are completely different as well. But I think the hope is to do something and push the envelope much, much more in the years to come. I'd of course love to be a part of an out-and-out musical, even though I know most films in our industry are technically musicals, but I'd love to keep singing to myself. And I'd also love to do maybe a comedy, or maybe do even a love story, just perhaps maybe a happier love story after Tarap as well. I'd love to do that, because I don't think I've done one of those, and I'd love to be a part of one of those.
Yeah. So finally, guys, any message for the audience who are eagerly waiting to see you both guys on a cinema houses?
Please do go watch Tara on December 3rd. Both Tara and I and everyone, the entire crew has worked very, very hard on this film, and the audience is going to go through a roller coaster of emotions. I'm just very grateful that we're being able to release the film, and I hope you enjoy our performance.
Tara, anything you want to add?
Yeah, like Stephen.
Like Ahan said, we've put in tons of our love and so much time and energy into this film. I do feel like I don't think you'd be disappointed when you watch it, because it's got every possible emotion that every kind of human being can connect to. And I feel like it's a very deep film. It's intense. It's all about love. It is also about heartbreak. And like I said, these are very strong, powerful emotions. and we've really given it our all. So I hope you enjoy it. Please go to a cinema near you on December 3rd and watch Talab.
Thank you so much, guys, for giving your precious time, and all the best for the movie. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.